Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a proper Texas rig using a plastic worm. Now, if you don't know how to tie a proper knot, this is a polymer knot, check out the card above and it'll take you on instructions on how to do a proper polymer knot. So this is a 1/0 hook, and we're going to be using just your typical plastic worm. This happens to be, I think, a 6-inch or 7-inch straight tail worm. So what you want to do is first identify the head or the front part. Usually the head's going to be your basic, just there's no curves. This is going to be a straight head, whereas you could tell that this is the tail part because it does narrow down here at the end and then it widens up. So this is the tail and this is going to be your head. So basically what a Texas rig is a weedless type of setup, and this is good for largemouth bass that are in cover, thick grass, rocks, just any type of debris, and you will definitely entice fish that are hiding and waiting to ambush their prey. And the main point about a Texas rig is it's going to be weedless. So first we're just going to go ahead and hold the worm. I like to hold the worm in my left and the hook on my right hand. I have the best control doing that being right-handed. So we're first going to just penetrate the tip of the tip of the worm or the head, and we're going to go just past the barb. Once we get to this point, we're going to come out from the head and we're going to just start threading the hook. We'll thread the hook, all the way up to the eye. And as I get to this point right here, what I do is I turn in the point of the hook towards the body of the worm. And as I'm doing that, I'm pushing up on the head. And as you can see, you can't see the eye of the hook anymore. I have the head embedded, or I have the eye of the hook embedded in the worm. So that's what it should look like right now. Now we're going to go ahead and use a hook or the point again, and we're going to go, I like to measure where the curve of the hook is, and I just kind of make a mental note or put my thumb there, and there's where we're going to penetrate the point in the body of the worm. We're going to go just straight through the body and out the top. As you can see, we have the point exposed, the hook is exposed, the barb is exposed. But in order to make this weedless, we're going to skin it. We're going to basically hide the point in the skin of the worm. And it's just like that. You don't have to go really deep. And that's a Texas rig, a weedless Texas rig. Go out and try this.